Food additives. Our bodies depend on the food we eat to function normally. But how many of us know what we are eating? We might think, for example, that a packet of vegetable soup only contains dried vegetables. However, this is not the case. It also contains additives. These are put into food for a number of reasons and are grouped according to what they do. There are 4 main groups: preservatives, which prevent the growth of microorganisms which would spoil the taste or make the food dangerous to eat; antioxidants, which stop the food from becoming spoiled as a result of contact with air; stabilisers and emulsifiers, both of which make sure that the ingredients mix and do not separate out again; and coloring agents which color the food in order to make it look more attractive. A typical packet or tin of vegetable soup will contain additives from all these groups. And it's not just packaged convenience foods that contain additives. Cheese, carbonated or fizzy drinks, margarine, biscuits, jam, tinned fish also contain them. In fact, any factory-made food does so. In several countries, the use of food additives is controlled by government regulations. The UK list of permitted additives is based on a list produced by the European Community, EEC. Additives on the EC list are generally assumed to be safe to use. However, some people have expressed doubts about the safety of some of them, and some are not allowed in the United States. This is sufficient cause for concern, particularly when we consider that small amounts of additives soon add up. It is estimated that each member of the British population eats between 3 and 7 kilograms of additives per year. Is it right that potentially harmful substances are put into our food without our knowledge? From the point of view of the health of the consumer, the answer appears obvious, but ending the use of additives would have far-reaching effects. It would mean only eating fresh, locally produced food. People would have to spend much more time in the kitchen, as there would no longer be such a thing as supermarket convenience food. This would not be acceptable to many consumers, and certainly not to the convenience food manufacturers. So it seems that additives are here to stay.